Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, JohnStarGX or ZX or whatever you want to call me. So in this video, we're gonna look if we can get 45 Hz back in Gorilla Tag. So, yeah, right now I'm on 60 Hz. Let's go into a lobby. By the way, I'm not playing Gorilla Tag, I'm playing Gorilla Taggers again, because it's just more OG. But yeah, so let me actually get in a private code in casual and let's see how good this 60 Hz actually is. So 60 Hz is just 60 Hz, you can't just play normal with it. It's kind of funny, but you're sticking to the ground pretty much. Yeah, so slippery walls is absolutely no problem. Whoops. Slippery walls are no problem with 60 Hz. You're just sticking to everything. You can walk on the ground pretty fast. You can do this pretty good. Oh god damn. You can do everything actually pretty good. And yeah, so that's 60 Hz. Let's go up to 72 Hz. By the way, stay to the end of the video, because on the end of the video I'm gonna show you how you can change your hertz too, and we're gonna look if we can get 45 Hz back into Gorilla Tag. So I'll launch this game, and now it's a little bit smoother than 60 Hz, but right now we are on 72 Hz. Let's see. Okay, I feel it different. So the difference is I don't stick to to everything anymore. Branching is pretty easy, if I wouldn't mess up. Let's do an epic montage. Oh, bruh. So let's see if you can stick to the wall with 72 Hz. Okay, so you kind of stick to the wall, yes, but not that hard anymore. So I can't vertical anymore, but yeah. Let's see if you can go on slippery walls with that. Yeah, you still can. It's a little bit harder, but it's still pretty easy. On ground, there's a little different too. You don't stick to it that hard, but you can still run pretty fast. Let's go up to 90 Hz. So right now we are on 90 Hz and it's kinda smooth. Yeah. Let's see if we can. Okay. So branching is actually pretty good for 90 Hz. Actually, it's pretty good. Let's see walls. Goddamn, I have a bad feeling about this. Oh god damn, nah. So yeah, you literally can't wall run anymore. You're just not sticking it to the wall anymore, but yeah, wait. Slippery wall test! No, okay, no. You can't get to red walls anymore. That's just way too hard. You're just not sticky enough. So, third thing, let's see ground. Yeah, so basically ground doesn't work at all. I mean, it kinda works, but nah, it just no. So wall and ground are absolutely not recommended with 90 Hz. So let's go and boom, change the hertz to 120. So we are on 120 Hz and I definitely can feel a difference. So 120 branch, and let's see if we can branch with 120 Hz. Whoa. Ugh. Okay, so surprisingly, 120 Hz, I won't recommend you that one for branching. So next up we go on walls and see if we can wall run on slippery walls. Let's see. So what I noticed is that you literally can't wall run with 120 Hz. And now the final test. Can we go on slippery walls? I think not, but okay. Wait. Oh. No. Okay, that didn't work at all. It's just way too hard. You can't lose your run, I can show you. You literally can't wall run. It's just way too smooth. Okay, so let's see ground check. Yeah. So I literally don't recommend you to play on grounds with 120 Hz. We have a problem. I won't recommend you 120 Hz for everything. Let's see. The final thing. Can we get 45 Hz back in Gorilla Tag? So stay on the video, because at the end I'm gonna show you how you can get 45 Hz too in Gorilla Tag. And here we are, 45 Hz. Literally can't jump anymore, and we stick it to the ground like I don't know what. And let's see. Okay, first test. 45 Hz branch it. No, and I'm stuck already. So you can branch, but you're just pretty sticky. Let's see the walls. Why do I have a bad feeling about this? And we are up. So let's see slippery walls. I also have a bad feeling about that one. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let's try again. This time. God damn, it's so easy. You literally stick to the wall. You don't fall off, whatever you do. Now, let's see ground. And I think ground, yeah. Ground is just way too easy. So that was way too easy. It's pretty fast, and all in all, I recommend you to play on 60 and or on 45 Hz. God damn, that was pretty easy. And I just hit this long jump. Okay, so this is the video, but I promised you that I'm gonna show you how you can get 45 Hz. So yeah, let's go into my computer. So what you're gonna do, you just go on your PC with sidequest, then you just connect your headset with your PC and go to the little range thing up here. Click on it and you see a lot of options. So now what you want to do is set your CPU and GPU level to level 4. Now that's important because Gorilla Tag fixed 45 Hz. We need to do it different. Do the texture size max, because that will lag your game out a bit and that makes it to 45 Hz. Your refresh rate is of course 60 Hz. Set FFR to low so you can walk on so you're more sticky. Then that's just some streaming and video settings that I have. Go to that one, that's the max resolution. Video capturing FPS 60 FPS instead of 30, and video capture bitrate 20 Mbits. Now go down, full capture rate, and you wanna enable that one. So these are all settings for 45 Hz. I hope you like that video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video, and yeah, bye.